Hello friends, in this video we will talk about meiosis. As we know, meiosis is divided into two parts, that is meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. Here we will discuss meiosis 1 stages. This is prophase 1 and prophase 1 is followed by metaphase 1 and metaphase 1 is followed by anaphase and then it is telophase and these are the stages of the prophase 1. This is liptotin, zygotin, pachytin, diplotin and dikinesis. The order of these is prophase 1 stage is very important. During liptotin what happens? Chromosome they become compact, that is why they are visible under the microscope. And during zygotin what happens? Homologous chromosome they come closer to each other and forms pair. So homologous pairing occurs during zygotin. It happens because of synaptonemal complex formation. So synapsis is the process of pairing and this is supported by synaptonemal complex. This term, that is bivalent, this is also important. This is also formed during zygotin stage. Bivalent, this term is used in terms of chromosome, but when we talk about chromatids then we use the term tetrad because we know each chromosome is consisting of two chromatids. These are the chromatids of a chromosome and this is the homologous pair that is formed during zygotin stage. This is another homologous pair that is also formed. And during pachytin stage what happens? There is crossing over. This is the process by which non-sister chromatids of homologous pair they exchange their segment. Because of exchange in segment there is formation of recombinants. So this is the process of crossing over during pachytin stage that is responsible for recombinant formation. And this pachytin is followed by diplotin. In this stage what happens? Chiasmata formation is there. This is the X-shaped structure at the side where non-sister chromatids they are exchanging their segment, and this diplotin is further followed by the dikinesis, which is the terminalization of the chiasmata that was formed during the diplotin stage. So this formation of chiasmata is there during diplotin, but terminalization is there during dikinesis. Other stages of meiosis 1 we will discuss in the next video. Thank you.